Well, got the box out. You can see what was holding it up here. All this butyl rubber. Ridiculously sticky stuff. So that was what was holding it down. Getting her stuck in there on both sides. So finally worked her out a little bit at a time with the ratchet straps. And now I'm back to a bare trunk. So you can kind of see where I have all my wires run through on each side. I got lots of options as far as what to do now. There's my box. There's the baffle for it. They just screwed together there in the middle. Still looks good, just a little bit broken. Separated, abused. But on further worse news, some of you guys know one of my subs wasn't working. You totally can't see in there at all. So I'm going to grab a light. Hey look, a convenient flashlight. Very convenient and bright as crap. Let's see if convenient flashlight can help us see and hear it all. If you guys are around, whoops, right down. It's a pretty good view there. Focus. But you can see toasty coils, toasty. You can see on the former there, that white's what it should be, and that brown is from where the glue that holds the voice coil on, where that glue melted and soaked up into the paper. You can see the coil's black on like 3 of every 4 pieces. That large coil. So this guy's toast. Melted her. She failed cleanly though. I honestly didn't notice when she died. Took me a little bit to figure it out. I was like, this sounds weird. So she's toast. The other one still works, but the coil on the other one's completely black. This one had some copper left on it for some reason. But this one failed first. The other one still works great, but it's in the same scenario of the glue's all melted off the coil and is soaked into the paper. So it's on its last legs. But that's what happens when you give them 800 RMS off the freaking Mean Machine. Also, another random note, if you have a table and you put shit on it, and you push the table in one direction or the other while it has shit on it, make sure you have the legs locked. That leg is locked. That leg apparently wasn't. So I moved the table and that happened. But it's okay because, well actually it's not okay. We'll see if everything's okay, but my US Acoustics is down that hit the floor, and so did the kicker, ZR460, so we'll have to see if those guys are alright. Pretty sure this amp rack and the Mean Machine should be fine, because they're still both on their racks, and they didn't actually hit the floor. So, fun stuff. I was praying that this sub wasn't blown, that it just like pulled off a wire or something, but nope. She was blown. You're still upside down. Haha, I'm so evil.